Catharanthus roseos, commonly known as bright eyes, Cape periwinkle, graveyard plants, Madagascar periwinkle, rose periwinkle, is a perennial flowering plants in the family Apocynaceae. It was formerly included in the genus Vinca as Vinca rosea. All parts of this plants are toxic, but symptoms are unlikely from small ingestions. This plant is a native and endemic to Madagascar, but grown elsewhere as an ornamental and medicinal plant. The root paste of this plant is used in septic wounds. The root decoration is used in fever. Leaves are used in menorrhagia. The leaf decoration is used for babies in gripping pain, while the latex is useful for scabies. This plant is a source of the drugs vincristine and vinblastine used to treat cancer according to Wikipedia. How to grow and care periwinkle plants. Periwinkle plants are easy to propagate using stem cutting. Periwinkle also is easy to grow by its seeds. Planted in a pot filled with a mixture of sand, peat moss and perlite. Periwinkle is not need to water every day. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my videos.